Good afternoon, guys. Let's continue with the word problems where we left off for your homework assignment on page 19 onwards. So now we're going to continue on problem 46. Maybe you haven't seen what do they refer by estimating. It's still a division problem, so we have 695 and we're going to divide that by 8,950. We want to know how many times will 695 fit into 895. So here, about once. Look at where I'm putting the 1. I have to grab 3 digits, so I count over 3 digits. I could put 695, go ahead and subtract. That gives us a remainder of 200. You bring down your next digit, and 695 into 2,000, almost 3. But it will have to be twice for now. 10, 2 times 9, 18 plus 1, 19, carry 1, 12 plus 1, 13, and same dilemma, don't forget to borrow. Everything else becomes 9s and 10s. 10 minus 9, 1, 9 minus 3, 6, and so on, guys. Remember, you have to put a decimal and you have to keep on going until we go and go and go, guys. It's not going to be an easy task, but that's kind of the idea. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 9, 72 plus 4, 76. Don't forget carry your 7. 8 times 6, 48 plus 7. That will give us what, guys? And so on. So let's continue from there. We'll keep on subtracting. And we have to go on and go on. So that's fine, guys. We could round it. The estimating part, if you notice, 695, it's closer to becoming 700. It's really close. And when you're rounding, when you're going to divide, maybe the 8,950 would be easier to make it 9,100. You want to make up numbers that are easily divided, they're divisible by the other factor. In this case, we want it to be divisible by 7. So 700 into that number, into 1 to 9, 10. That will leave us with 210. We bring down the next 0. So you get an estimated answer approximately of 13 versus the 12.8 that we still have to keep on going to get the actual answer, guys. Let's keep on going with the word problems. So for now, just reading it. Not necessarily doing all the math, but reading it. It says, an education can be the key to a higher earning. In a U.S. Census Bureau study, high school graduates earn $30,400 per year. Associate degree graduates average $38,200 per year. Bachelor's degree graduates made an average of $52,200 per year. They're just giving us information. Let's keep on reading. Assuming a 50-year work life for that person, we need to calculate how much money would a lifetime earnings be for a high school graduate, an associate's degree graduate, and bachelor's degree graduate. So we have to multiply each number, in this case 30,400, by 50 years. And then we do the same thing for the 38,200, which would be the associate's degree, times 50 years working for their life. And the same thing for the bachelor's degree. The 52,200 times 50 years. And then we're just comparing the answers. That's what they wanted to do in that one. If you keep on reading, they also want you to compare what is the difference between the high school and the associate's degree. The high school, once we have this answer, and once we have the associate's degree, we could subtract them, and that will give us that answer of calculating the difference. What about the lifetime difference between a high school and a bachelor's? Once we have this answer of the bachelor, we're going to subtract it from the high school. And that as well will give us that answer we're looking for in that particular problem. In problem 50, it says some ticket prices for the Lion King on Broadway were $70, $95, $200, etc. So for a family of 4, that means they want to buy 4 tickets, we want to estimate the cost of a 95 ticket by rounding all the way. So 95, guys, isn't it really close to being 100? So yes, all you have to do is multiply 100 times 4. That means they approximately will spend $400 on a family of 4 to purchase those tickets. And then they actually want you to do the actual one. We'll go back to the actual amount, 95, and multiply it by 4 and do your math. your answers are not going to be exact, but they're going to be really approximate estimate answer between one and the other. So word problems, guys, don't be afraid of them. Make sure we read them carefully and analyze what are they asking you to do. Send me an instant message, send me an email in case you have concerns on any particular problem, and I could post a video on showing how to solve that problem. Okay, guys? Well, good luck and see you next time.